Want free money just for sharing an app you already love? Let's unlock those Revolut referral bonuses. First, open your Revolut app. You need to be logged in to access your referral link. Next, tap on your profile icon. It's usually located in the top left corner of your screen. This will take you to your account settings. Now, look for an option like Refer a Friend, Invite Friends, or something similar. These buttons may also appear on the home page of the app. Tap that button. Here it is. This screen displays your unique referral link or code. You can copy this link to your clipboard. Now, share your link with your friends via text, email, social media, however you like. Important, make sure your friends use your link to sign up and that they complete any required steps, like verifying their identity, ordering a physical card, or making a certain number of transactions within a defined time frame. These requirements often vary, so double-check the specific terms for your region within the app. Once your friend fulfills all the requirements, you both get rewarded. Keep sharing to earn more. Now go get that free money.